Hello friends, welcome to Learn Positive with Pradeep Kumar. If you are seeing my video, please like, comment and share with your friend. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell notification symbol. Now we are seeing Strength of Material Unit 1, Chapter 1, Statics of Particles, Solution for Problem, Class 6. If you want to see my previous videos, please visit my channel and see all the videos, and please click the like button and subscribe. Solution for problem 6. The question was, a weight of 1000 Newton is supported by two chains as shown in the figure, and determine the tension in each chain. I give the two type of diagrams, one is space diagram and one is free body diagram. Now we see the space diagram. So in space diagram there is AB, it is a wall, and from the wall A and C is a chain 1 and BC is a chain 2. The chain 1 is in 30 degree and chain 2 is in 60 degree, and hereby the C, from the CE is a third chain. It is loaded by a weight of 1000 Newton. And now see the given data. The tension T3 is 1000 Newton and angle at CAB is 30 degree. We have to see the middle of the letter CAB, that is A. So angle of A is 30 degree. As CBA, the middle letter is B, so the angle of B is 60 degree. And ACB, the angle of C is, we have here 60 plus 30, so overall 90 degree. So I take it as 90 degree. To find tension of each chain T1 and T2. Friends, this is the overall different sum from the previous videos. This is the first time sum of Lami's theorem. So we are going to the solution. We take the formula of Lami's theorem. So in Lami's theorem we have three angles, one is alpha, one is beta and one is gamma. So we have to draw the free body diagram from the space body diagram. So see the space body diagram now. I have to create the free body diagram as A, B, C and E. Now we have to find the alpha. So I take the angle of BCE. Look at the first diagram in the top, BCE. We have to find the angle. So for that we have to take first DCE. The angle of DCE is a straight line, so it becomes 180 degree, and the angle between the D and B is 30 degree. So we have to minus 30 degree from 180 degree, so we get 150 degree. It is the alpha. So next beta. So beta is ACE. So ACE. So we have to take the DCE. DCE is 180 degree. The angle between the DCE is 60 degree. So I subtract the 60 degree from 180 degree, we get 120 degree. So it is beta. And gamma. The angle of ACB. The angle of ACB, we have 2 degrees, one is 30 and another one is 60. So 60 plus 30 is 90 degree. So we found the gamma. If you have doubt in which side is alpha and which side is beta and which side is gamma, I clearly said you, the opposite side of A is alpha, the opposite side of B is beta, and opposite side of E is gamma. Now I take the Lami's theorem formula, T1 by sin alpha equal to T2 by sin beta equal to T3 by sin gamma. And now I substitute the value of alpha, beta, gamma and T3. So T1 by sin 150 equal to T2 by sin 120 equal to 1000 for T3 and divided by sin 90. The value of sin 90 is 1. So 1000 divided by 1 is 1000. So now take T1 by sin 150 equal to T2 by sin 120 equal to 1000. Now I take the 1000 for 1000 as separate value of T1 and T2. So I write like this, T1 by sin 150 equal to 1000 and T2 by sin 120 equal to 1000. And now see that T1 by sin 150 equal to 1000. So I transfer the sin 150 from left to right, it becomes multiplication. So T1 equal to 1000 into 150. So the value of T1 is 500 Newton. Now I take T2 by sin 120 equal to 1000, and also now also I transfer the sin 120 from left to right, it becomes the product of 1000. So T2 equal to 1000 into sin 120. So T2 equal to 866.025 Newton. Now we are going to write the result. So the tension of chains T1 is 500 Newton and T2 is 866.025 Newton. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe my channel. If you have any doubt in this sum, please comment, I will reply for you. We will see in next video. Thank you friends.